Hello students, today's sessions partnership final account start. So these are the second session, and in these sessions we are learn about the fixed capital account and example. So one slide shows the me and capital accounts of partners. सेकंड स्लाइड शो है, उसमें फिक्स कैपिटल मेथड और फ्लक्चुएटिंग कैपिटल मेथड दिखाई दे रहा है आपको। ये जो कैपिटल कैसा है उसके बारे में स्लाइड दिया है। सो वी विल स्टार्ट फिक्स कैपिटल मेथड। इन दिस मेथड्स amount in cash or kind bought in by the partner to manage business activity is termed as capital. Partners maintain and operate some methods of the capital accounts. The two methods of capital accounts are fixed capital methods. In this method, amount of capital of a partner remains the same at the end of that financial year. There is no addition or subtraction for capital during the year. When this method is adopted, partner open the new account in name or partner's current account, and all the related to capital adjustments are solved throughout partner's current account. For example, drawing, interest on drawing, interest on capital, partner's salary, commission, brokerage, share of partners and losses are recorded in two current account. So that is the perform of fixed capital method. So partners capital account credit side by balance brought down, by cash or bank account, by asset accounts, and balance carry down to debit side. So next, what is the journal entries? When additional capital in introduced by partner, cash account or bank account debit to partner's capital account, being additional capital introduced into the business. When capital amount is bought in a partner in form of asset account debit to partners capital account, being additional capital bought in kind. So only two journal entries when capital introduced to business by partner, and when fixed capital method is adopted by the partnership firm, a new separate account is open, partner's current account. In this accounts, all adjustment related to capital are recorded. Partner current account may show debit or credit balance, drawing made by the partner in a current accounting year, goods or any asset take over by the partner, interest on partner's capital allowed by the firm, interest on partner drawing charge by the firm's salary, commission payable to the partners, distribution of profit or loss for the firm. This is a partner current account performer. So partner capital account and partner current account. So partner current accounts credit side by balance brought down in given as per the trial balance, by interest on capital, interest paid to the partners on capital, pay salary or commission, so recorded credit side of partner current account, and last one, profit and loss account, share in a net profit at a profit and loss account, amount transfer partner current account credit side, and partner current account debit side given as a debit balance in trial balance, so posting in debit side. Withdraw goods or money in the business, so that is called as drawing, and drawing record to partner current account debit side. Interest on drawing paid to the business, interest on drawing, that is the debit side. And if the loss of business, show the debit side partner current account. So what is the journal entries? Interest allowed to partners capital, interest on capital account debit to partners capital or current account, being interest due to on capital. Profit and loss account, second journal entries, profit and loss account debit to interest on capital account, being interest on capital transfer to profit and loss account. Second entry, salary or commissioners, salary or commission partner account debit to partner current account or capital account, being salary or commission due to partner, and profit and loss account debit to salary or commission account, being salary commission transferred to profit and loss account. Third, cash or goods taken over by the partner for their personal use, drawing account debit to cash or goods account, being cash or goods withdraw by personal use. Partner's current account, capital account, debit to drawing account, being balance account on account transferred to current account. So next journal entry, interest charge on drawing of the partner current account or capital account debit to interest on drawing account, being interest charge on drawing. Next journal entry, interest on drawing account debit to profit and loss account, transfer to net profit and loss account debit to partner current account or capital account, being profit transferred to partner current account capital account. Distribution of net loss, so opposite, partner current account capital account debit to profit and loss account, being loss adjusted to partner current and capital account. So effect in क्रेडिट साइड पोस्ट करेंगे, इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल टू सैलरी टू पार्टनर and commission of the partner. So next, fluctuating methods. In these methods, amount of capital balance change every year, that it is called as fluctuating capital method. In this methods, a partner's current account is not open, hence all adjustments are solved throughout capital account. Following are the um, general adjustments related to capital: opening balance of capital, additional capital bought in the partners in cash or any kind, salary commission payable to the partner, interest payable on capital balance of the partner, drawing made during the year, and interest payable on drawing the partner's withdrawal of part of the capital by the partner. Disposable profit or net adjustable loss of the partner. So these are the format trial balance. So एग्जाम्पल, फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल डिस्कस करेंगे यहाँ पे। आनंद एंड भारत आर पार्टनर्स sharing profit and losses in the ratio 2/3 on 1st April 2019. In the capital balance are Anand 60,000 and Bharat 30,000. Their drawing are 12,000 and 10,000 respectively. As per agreement, partner are allowed 10% interest on capital, and interest on drawing is to be charged at 12 per annum. Anand gets salary of rupees 2,500 per month, and Bharat is entitled to get commission at the rate 3% on the net sales, which is the 5 lakh. So the firm of profit 60,000 prepare the partner accounts of the year ended 31st March under 2019. So fixed capital method. In this fluctuating capital methods, so one more, the adjustment first, interest on capital. So Anand capital 60,000, 60,000 multiplied 10 divided by 100 is equal to 600. Bharat 30,000 multiplied 10 divided by 100, 3,000. First working notes adjustment. So second, interest on drawing. Anand drawing 12,000. 12,000 multiplied 12 divided by 100 multiply 6 divided by 12, so is equal to 720. Bharat 10,000. 10,000 multiplied 12 divided by 100 multiply 6 divided by 12, so 600. Interest on drawing always to be taken for 6 months in case date on drawing in not maintained. Third adjustment, Anand 2,500 per month salary, so 12 months salary is equal to 30,000. Commission to Anand 5 lakh multiply 3% divided by 100, 15,000. Fifth, distribution of profit as per ratio given, profit amount 60,000 and ratio 2/3. So Anand 60,000 multiplied 2 divided by 5, so 24,000, and Bharat 60,000 multiply 3 divided by 5, 36,000. So These are the adjustment given in the working notes prepare. Then so prepare the fixed capital method, that using the balance brought down 60,000, 30,000, interest on capital 6,000, 3,000, salary 30,000, commission 15,000, and profit 24, 36,000. So total amount more than the debit side 1,20,000, 84,000 balance right now the debit side, and drawing amount post in debit side 12,000 and 10,000, interest on drawing 720, 600. So these are the less amount credit balance. So balance carry down 1,07,028 and 73,400. Okay. Other all example solve in your homework. So we are taking the next, that using the balance performa. Okay, we will take another lesson and record the another situation. So here, what is the recording? Watching the video and then post the